I am going to show you something that will blow your mind. I wanted to read this book Caesarea and understand it better, so I went to this AI software Notebook LM and I uploaded my book. This software helps me to understand and read the book very efficient manner. So the book has given me all the core concepts of this book and like all the short notes of the book. Now I've tried to create more study notes and study guide of the book, and see this, the software or the AI tool has given me all the important notes and all the important question and answers from the book. Now I'll try to also search something. तो जैसे चैट जीपीटी में द सॉफ्टवेयर सर्च फ्रॉम एवरी सोर्सेज, बट इस सॉफ्टवेयर में इसी पर्टिकुलर बुक से आपको जो भी कॉन्सेप्ट समझना है द बुक विल टेल यू. सो जैसे मैंने लिखा था आई वॉन्ट टू नो मोर अबाउट ADHD इन डिटेल. सो द सॉफ्टवेयर हैज़ एक्चुअली गिवन मी ADHD from this particular book. Not only that, it has also given me the citation and the sources. जिस पेज और जिस टॉपिक से उसने मुझे ADHD के बारे में बताया है. So all the citations and everything is mentioned here. Another coolest thing is this mind map. Look at this. The book has given this coolest mind map of the entire book. But अगर अब मुझे किसी particular topic के सब topics में जाना है तो मैं ADHD के सब topics का mind map भी ले सकती हूँ, and इसके बाद भी I can keep. Now I'm going to show you the coolest part. This software has actually created entire podcast of the book, that too with
take
two
a stack
hosts.
of sources today. It's all about
Listen
psychology,
to it.
and we pull out the most fascinating, the most useful insights for you.
Yeah, we've got quite a
Now
range
when I
here.
click
Everything
this
from like a
interactive
basic
mode
study guide right
beta,
up to a
I
full
can
intro
actually
textbook.
join their
We're really covering
podcast
a lot of
and
ground
ask
on
anything
psychological
from the
ideas.
book. Like
And
I
our
can just
mission
interrupt them in
is pretty
between
simple. Give you a
and then
shortcut
ask
to
some
understand
random
the
thing. Listen to it.
Welcome to the deep dive. We take a stack of sources today. It's all about
Oh wait, someone wants to join. Hey, go for it.
Can you tell me more about neurodivergent individuals?
Well, that's a really interesting question.
It connects to a lot of what we discuss, actually.
In a broad sense, neurodivergent refers to
Follow
people
me
whose
for
brain
more
functions
psychology and
differently.
mental health
This can include
updates.
things like autism, ADHD, and dyslexia.